Good morning, everybody. Today's video, we are over here on Koh Larn. We're on a coral island, which is a small island just off the coast of Pattaya here in Chonburi. And I got up early this morning to come over and see the sunrise. And as you can see behind me, it's too cloudy. The sun is kind of back in there somewhere, but anyway, nothing exciting. So anyway, we're gonna, instead of watching the sunrise and do a little beach walk, we'll just go do a beach walk tonight. So I decided to come over here to Tien Beach. It's accessible by like a little walkway. So you have to park a little ways away and then walk down a little walkway. So let's go over there and let's take a look around this, this beach. I'm greeted here by a couple of the little local dogs, one of the little puppies and his buddy over there that's chewing on a stick. They had to come over and say hello to me. So here is the walkway. And then it just gives you a nice little view of the ocean. And as you can see, it is socked in with clouds. A little bit of a bummer. I always wanted to see the a nice sunrise over here. I've done a beach walk over here before at Naral Beach, where I saw sunset or sunrise from over there. Okay, let's walk over to the beach. So a little short little walkway, and we're over here to the beach. Now this is about 500 meters long. It's not the biggest island or biggest beach on the island. The longest beach I think is Taiwan Beach, and then Samae Beach, or however you say it, I think is the second largest. But this one is kind of quiet. It's not as easy to get to, but still it does have some restaurants and the sun seats and all of that. And as you can see, the tide is in right now. So when the tide is out, it'll give you a little bit more of the beach. And they still pull the boats up here. They do the speed boats that come over from Pattaya. I mean, it's kind of hard to find like a secluded beach on this island. It's just too close to a major town here in Thailand. But here they have jet ski rentals, parasailing, the banana boat, and this is looking towards the interior of the island. And then you have another place over here with the sun chairs, and that's that little walkway that we came over. And you see that little building up there? There's a little road that goes over there that goes to the Samae Beach. And Samae Beach is really popular for people that come over to spend an evening on the beach. That one is the second longest beach on the island. The sand is okay. It's a little coarse, but it's not bad. And the water's the same as everywhere in Thailand. These beaches do get a little dirty with a lot of rubbish from people that are out here partying in the evening. But on a whole, they keep it mostly clean. It's better than some of the other beaches. They do an okay job on the island. Yeah, we don't have a whole lot of beach here. I'll have to dodge up and around these trees. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed that the sun is blocked by the clouds. I always like getting out on the beach in the morning and walking around. Now they call this Coral Island. It's just the name, Koh Larn. and it's easy to get to. There's like a ferry that goes from Pattaya. We're gonna have to really dodge this. So there's a ferry that goes from Pattaya and brings you over here, and it's 30 baht, so like $1 one way, and it takes about 40 minutes or so. And it's super easy to get to. You just go to the pier in Pattaya, and then you jump on the ferry and come over here. There's also speedboats. Speedboats are like I don't know what they are, like 150 to 300 baht a person each way. But you don't really need to do that. The only bad thing is the ferry schedule runs about every 2 hours. So if you was in an absolute hurry to get over here, you could jump on a speedboat and get over here pretty quick. Or if you miss the ferry. And there's two ferries. There's the one that takes you to the Naban Pier and then to Tien Beach. So you have to be careful if you want to go to the pier. It's on the opposite side of the island as the Tien Beach. But you can walk the whole island if you need to. It's if you go to the wrong pier, it's only 4 kilometers long, this whole island, and 2 kilometers wide. You can take a look out at the horizon. So over there is a couple little islands and stuff, and then the main part of Thailand. We got a big container ship out there, or a big cargo ship of some kind. Hard Tien Love Tree. They're getting ready for the day to start. You can see they got that little restaurant over there. And it looks like they have the Goose House, maybe like a little resort back in there. And this is kind of cool. I kind of like this. They have a little tree pointing the direction of everywhere, so you can kind of find. If you want to go to Germany, it's only 5,538 miles away. Moscow is 4,445. And it has this nice little shade part back here. Yeah, this is a nice beach. It's the sand is good. It's not like world class like if you go to the south, but it's still nice enough. We got a couple guys here with some kind of little contraption, haul some stuff over to the restaurant. Yeah, the sand is good, and it's easy enough to get over here. It's definitely not my favorite beach in Thailand, but it's near Bangkok and it's easy to get to. Bang San Beach is the nearest beach to Bangkok, and that's over in Chonburi. And then you get over here to Pattaya. You have Pattaya Beach, and then over here on the island, and Tien Beach, a few others. I don't like to go to those beaches as much as coming over here to the island. If I'm going to go to Pattaya, I'm going to come over here to the island. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting little machine. Picking up trash and going to launch a boat. Then we got some more sun chairs. Then they have an emergency thing over here, a call box with a little speaker in case there's an emergency. And then we have the Hard Tien restaurant up here. Yeah, and this is the restaurant. So you can sit over here, have something to eat, and watch the ocean go by. And the beach kind of ends, it kind of peters out up there. There's a little trail that goes up around the corner over there. Got a dog barking at me over here. And so this is a look back towards the way we came in on this beach. This beach is okay. It's like not the best beach in the world, but if you're over here and you're not going to go to the south or like Koh Chang or somewhere like that, you know, the nicer beaches are down in the south, you know, at Phuket and Koh Samui and Koh Chang, and some other places have some really nice beaches. But this is a good beach for being near Bangkok. And if you're short of time or money, you can get to this island out here from Bangkok for, I don't know, about 350 baht. You can get on the bus, come over, and then take the ferry, and you have like a songthaew ride and all that. So easy and cheap to get to. And in hotels, you can stay on this island for 500 up to a couple thousand baht, depending on how much you want to pay. First people out of the day. She's dressed up, ready for some Instagram pictures. He's got the camera following her along. Yeah, you can walk this pretty quick. It's only 500 meters long. And when the tide is out, the beach gets a little rocky and corally. So it's not as nice. But there's not a whole lot of beach right now with the tide being in. Yeah, those guys got in the boat and they're going off to go somewhere. Doing whatever they do. You can see there's a couple life jackets that got washed out. I'm going to see if I can fly the drone over. It's not very bright, it's kind of overcast, but I'll see if I can fly the drone. That might be a good way to see this beach. And this is the beach bar here for the Tien Beach. And then it looks like they have a few little bungalows and stuff up here. So it looks like this would definitely be pretty quiet up here. There's 3 little bungalows. That's what they have for rent. And then this looks like some of the locals' houses and stuff. All right, so let's take one more look here at the beach. So we saw the hotel, and we can see all of the beach. And the ocean is, it's not bad. There's a little bit of trash and stuff floating around in it, but as to be expected here by Pattaya. But you see people swimming and everything else here, so I don't think there's too much to worry about. All right, guys, that's going to finish up our little video over here at Tien Beach. This is nice enough. If you're on the island, I would come over here and stay. Taiwan Beach gets super crowded. I don't like it near as well. The beach is better over there, and that's why there's more people, plus it's a bigger beach. But that place gets crazy. And with the borders opening up to the Chinese soon, that's a huge popular destination for them, so it'll get even more crowded. So anyway, if you liked the video, make sure you click like and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. If you've been here or if you have any questions, let me know. And if you're new to the channel, this is what I do. I just go out and I show you things that I see and do, and tell you a little bit about what I know. And if you like that, then stick around. Now this beach here, it's on the far side of the island from the main pier. So it's a little harder to get to. If you want, you have to rent a motorcycle to get over here. And as far as getting to the island, I'll pin a comment of a video I made of how to get here to this island. I think the bus fare went up from 121 to 131 baht since I made that video. So that's the only difference. So from over here at Koh Larn at Tien Beach, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.